Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're into trading, crypto, or just love decoding price charts, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're diving deep into all candlestick patterns and how you can use them like a pro. From hammers and dojis to engulfing and morning stars, we've got it all. The hammer is one of the most well-known bullish reversal signals. It shows that sellers pushed the price down significantly during the session, but by the end, buyers stepped in and drove the price back up. This buying pressure near support suggests the downtrend might be losing steam. Stronger if it forms near a key support level or Fibonacci retracement zone. Best used with volume confirmation and a follow-up bullish candle. The inverted hammer is a variation of the hammer. It's shaped like an upside-down hammer and also appears at the bottom of a downtrend. Here, buyers tried to push the price higher during the session, but sellers resisted. Still, the candle closes above the open, hinting at potential reversal if followed by bullish momentum. The shooting star is the bearish twin of the inverted hammer. It appears at the top of an uptrend. This candlestick signals that buyers tried to push prices higher during the session, but sellers pushed back hard, forcing a close near the open. This rejection at higher levels shows buyer exhaustion and potential for reversal, especially when confirmed by a bearish candle afterward. The doji is a sign of indecision in the market. It forms when the open and close prices are nearly the same, suggesting a balance between buyers and sellers. There are different types of doji: standard doji, equal upper and lower shadows. Long-legged doji, extreme volatility, long wicks. Dragonfly doji, long lower shadow, no upper wick, potential bullish reversal. Gravestone doji, long upper shadow, no lower wick, potential bearish reversal. Four-price doji, all prices are equal, very rare. Alone, dojis aren't strong signals. Look for confirmation from the next candle. Excellent when appearing at key support or resistance zones or after a strong trend. A Marubozu candlestick shows extreme conviction in one direction. Either buyers or sellers dominated the entire session. Bullish Marubozu, which is green, opens at the low and closes at the high. Bearish Marubozu, which is red, opens at the high and closes at the low. It often indicates strong continuation of the existing trend or breakouts from consolidation zones. The spinning top is a classic indecision candle, similar to the doji, but with a small, real body. It suggests that neither buyers nor sellers could gain control, and price moved both up and down during the session. Spinning tops often appear during periods of consolidation or before major breakouts. The paper umbrella is a category that includes candles with a small body and a long lower shadow. Depending on the prior trend, it could be a hammer, bullish, after a downtrend, a hanging man, bearish, after an uptrend. It shows that sellers push the price down, but buyers regain control, leading to a close near the top. Let's quickly review the 8 most important single candlestick patterns. Hammer bullish reversal, inverted hammer bullish reversal, hanging man bearish reversal, shooting star bearish reversal, doji indecision, Marubozu momentum candle, spinning top indecision, paper umbrella reversal category. These patterns, especially when confirmed by trend leans or indicators, can significantly improve your entry and exit timing. And that's a wrap, guys. You've just learned all the major candlestick patterns and how to use them to level up your trading game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling us which pattern you use the most. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy trading.